mean that we have to recognize that ICC has jurisdiction over the Philippines? I believe the family of the former President Duterte is asking and praying from the Supreme Court that the government should not cooperate with the ICC. So it means that if we will not cooperate with the ICC, even that prayer or even that manifestation of the ICC, we will not take cognizance of that. Mahirap po kasi na sasabihin natin, although that's hypothetical, sasabihin natin na makikipag-cooperate tayo sa ICC pagdating po sa interim release, dahil lahat po ng issue dyan mabubuksan. Mabubuksan din po kung magkakaroon ng freeze order sa kanyang mga assets. Gugustuhin po ba din ng pamilya Duterte na makipag-cooperate tayo sa ICC para lahat ng kanilang assets, nakatago man o hindi nakatago, ay makikipagtulungan tayo sa ICC para mahagilap lahat ng kanilang assets?
Which means it's a sword that cuts both ways, if I understand what you're saying. So, it's a no-go. Ibig sabihin po, ang interim release as far as the Philippine government is concerned.
Though it's hypothetical, but as we speak now, we do not recognize the jurisdiction of the ICC over the Philippines. So, that's it.